Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. On this channel I'll be making video today on architectural walls. Remember to hit the subscribe button, like and share this video for more updates and for more videos. Thank you. Okay, today basically we'll be talking about walls, architectural walls. I'll be showing how to create your walls using Revit architecture to do it. Okay, so the first thing after you log into your software, you launch it, this is the interface you will see. So when you have this interface, yesterday I made video on levels. We are familiar on how to set our levels now, so we are moving straight ahead to architectural walls. Okay, so I will show you how you'll be using these templates to design your walls. Okay, for the sake of this, I'm not going to be saving any project yet. By default, to be showing you save at interval because there is a time that is set where you'll be able to set up or save your project. Okay, so when you log in or you launch into your Revit architecture, this is what you will see. You have the status bar. This is your status bar. This is your status bar: architecture, structure, system, analyze, and nursing. So we're having what again? Your toolbar, your wall, and your door. Then here is the property and the project browser. We're having the 4 cardinal points. This is our workspace, our workstation. So within this workstation, this is where we're expected to do all our designs, because if you do anything outside these 4 arrows, you're not going to be able to deal with your elevation. So you have to do this inside. So this one is a big, you can be able to adjust it. You can highlight on it, and then drag it to the location you want to. Yes, a very important thing to note, because sometimes your design will be more than the workspace, but here is a lot of space here. So very good. So first thing to do is always remember that you are going to be creating your walls basically on our floor level or floor plans, the ground level, or any of these floor plans. So I would prefer to be using floor plan because this is where the floor is, so get it right here. So the first thing to do is you click on go to your status bar and click on your architecture. When you click on architecture, you see the first icon on your toolbar here beside modify is what? Walls. So when you click on this arrow, you see architectural walls, structural, by face, and then sweep and reveal. So first I want to be treating walls under architectural. So you click on it. When you click on it, by default, basically this wall now we're having basic wall generic 200 millimeters. That's the wall we're having. So for the architecture, we're having a defined or a standard walls that we are used to it. So basically depending on which kind of block or the kind of block you're using. So now basically we use 9 inches, 6 inches, 7 inches, and then other inches of block. So basically the 9 inches in millimeter that we call the 225 wall, or 230 in some places. So I want to be readjusting and editing our wall so that we can be able to get what the accuracy of that particular size and the thickness of that particular block. Yes, so if you draw any wall here, you will see this wall, but this wall now, this basic wall now, is the description is here, that basic wall generic model 200 millimeter. So the first thing to do here is you go to edit, you click on edit, you move to duplicate. This way you rename your wall. Assuming we're using 225 walls, put OK. You go to edit under here. You're watching my arrow, edit. Then you go to edit. Yes, here we're having a dialog box. On this dialog box, we're having function, we're having material, we're having what? Thickness, wrap, and structural material. So this wall is a structural material. So we define the thickness here to be 225. That's the way we did it before. And then the material, we'll go here, click on category by category, and then when we click on by category, it will show us, it open up a 2 dot. Let me come back again. When you click on it, it will show a 3 dot here, and then you click on this 3 dot, it will open to another dialog page. So you come back to this cycle with plus here, you click on it, and you see create new material. You enter create new material, and this is the material you have created, a new default material. So it's highlighted with this blue color. So here you have to rename it so that you can be able to have access anytime you come and to select it here. So you right click and you would rename it. Rename. Okay, let's put wall 225. So after setting a wall here, we are done with this. So we'll come back to this other icon here or toolbar here. You click on it, asset browser again here. Yes, so it opens another dialog box. This is where you are going to be setting up the material, that's in terms of texture and color. So you click on appearance, you double click on appearance, and double click. These are the names of material we are having here. So if we scroll down from A to W here, we are having wall covering and wall paint. So we are choosing wall paint. We'll click on wall paint. So these are the wall paint. We are having a different kind of wall paint. So is it a gluey one? Is it a matte? All these things. So we can be able to select it. So for instance, let's use this beach here. We double click on it. So now we have allocate color and material to this wall 225. So now this wall 225 is carrying what? Is carrying this color and is carrying what? A wall material. So when you set this one, you are done. You're going to exit it, put apply, put OK, and then you come put OK. So now basically you have set your wall to what? A basic wall of 225 with a color of beige color. So this is how to make your settings here. So we can delete this using this red button here to delete. So we can go back to the wall now, and you see here we are having what? The property wall generate 230. You can click on here, yes, and you look for your wall that you have created. So you click on it now. So you are ready to start your drawing. So using this wall. So and then how to draw it, just the way you do your drawing on your drawing board, using your pencil and your T-square and your set squares. So this is the same thing that you will be doing. So you can just put it at any space and then click on it, and then you drag it and you give it dimension. For instance, let me use 3 meters or 6 meters now. Okay, 6 meters long. Put enter. If you want to create a box or any shape, you go again. Okay, 4 meter. You go again, 6 meters, and then you click on 4 meters. So now you have created what? A simple box using your wall. So now you're having a wall of what? A wall 225 thickness, and then the color is what? The color is beige. So at the top row here, we have an icon that resembles house here. So when you click on it, this way you can be able to see it what? On 3D elevation. So mark you, Revit architecture is what? Is a PIM software or it's been designed with BIM in mind. That's one. And then Revit architecture is also a parametric software. This is where you input your data and it will generate it by itself. Are we together? Okay, so this is what your wall that you have created, but it seems we are not seeing any color here. Yes, the reason is because this one is not in a realistic view. So come down to the top, to the bottom here. You see one box here, and then the second box is visual style, hidden style. So when you click on it, it will show you a graphic display option, a wireframe. When you click on wireframe, it will just be a wireframe. When you click on hidden line, that's the normal one that you saw at the first place. When you click on shade, it will give you a color shade, but not that your color, consistent color. It will give another color, but not that color. But you click on realistic view. So you see, this is our wall that we created in wall 225 with the color of beige. Are you seeing it? So this is how to make your wall. If you want to go back, you can go back to floor plan again. You click on it, you will see your wall here. So you can do as the design of your choice using this plan. You can use the design of your choice. To make wall anyhow you want it to be. You can use it. Yes, anything that you don't want, you can do undo, Ctrl Z, and it will go back. Or use the red button at the top here to delete it. So you can be able to use it and create your shape or your floor plan that you desire. So when you go to 3D, you see the shape. It has automatically developed it for you. Okay, so this is basically on the wall, and this is what we'll be doing today on this wall. We have many things to do on the wall. So on the next video, I will be showing you how you can be able to set up your constraint using this wall. Yes, the last video we made on levels. We have already set our level. We're going to continue from there. Now we know how to do design to create our wall, give it the texture we want, the color, and then to make a simple plan here. So next, now I will be showing you or making a video on how you can be able to see how you use your level and then adjust your constraints. So because by default, when you go to 3D, when you click on this wall, the height is more than 3 meters. It's almost of about 8 meters. So, and this is not the height we want. So but we're using our level to determine the height of this building. So this is where we'll be stopping for today. Do well by hit the subscribe button, share and like this video so that you can get another new video on the next tutorial we're having. So thank you very much. Meet next time. Thank you very much.